Yeah, I want to tell a story, you know.
Yeah. No, I think what you're doing is cool.
And so if you do before and after, everyone just they form an opinion based on just the before and after, based on what they like, you know. Oh, it's too much makeup. You don't know the story. This woman wanted to look dramatic and glamorous, and she's going through a divorce, and she wants to be anything but, you know, they don't know the story. Just go to Sephora and get this natural makeup stuff. Last thing I want to do is be standing behind a chair.
I just said, no, I'm taking a year to not commit to a lot of stuff.
Well, then after that, I'm like, well, actually, I just don't want to. There's no reward, I guess.
It would have to be a very special student.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, you know that
Yeah.
the same thing with training and other. Oh, you should start a training school. I said, yes. I'd love to waste all my time and money on a bunch of people who said they're interested in about 2 seconds.
You do what you want to do, and then my hair will just kind of do its own thing. Transformed, huh?
We'll see. We'll see in a moment.
I feel happy.